Meet the boy with a grin so dandy. He just remembered where he hid all the candy. Hey there, Scribble peeps. Let's get started with a big happy semicircle for the head. Then add a cone shape for the body. Don't worry, it all might look like an ice cream, but I promise, no sprinkles needed. Now, let's dive in and add some lines for the legs. Our character needs a strong and steady base to stand tall and keep that cheeky and proud grin. With his eyes all set and his nose just right, he's ready to show off his coolest pose, like he's about to challenge his friends to a dance-off, or a silly game of who can smile the most. And now when we scribble those glorious ears and a wacky hairdo, we can finish up by sketching his hands and a few little details for his shirt. Once you're happy with the pencil sketch, give yourself a high five, and let's keep the fun going as we move on to the next step. Start with the grin, that's wide and bold, make that smile shine, and let the story unfold. Trace the eyes and add some flair, give him a look, that's beyond compare. Draw the hair with a stylish sweep, make it look fun, awesome, and sweet. Trace the ears, drawing them round and neat, curved just right, so the head is complete. Then move on to the arms with a careful flair. Outline with precision, giving them strength and air. Finish up with legs that stand so tall. For adventures and fun, he'll conquer all. And there you have it. Our drawing is complete. What colors will you choose to make it extra sweet? Check out these colors I picked. And if you're craving for more fun, you can find more awesome free videos at scribblepeeps.com. Bye.